and welcome to the Sunday Chit Chat Show. Today on our guest list, we have got someone who is an actor, a choreographer, influencer, and also a casting director. Well, that's an interesting mix of all. So let's welcome Rupal Tyagi online and get to know more about her life and her journey. Well, let me see, she is there or not. Yes, pretty much on time. Just loved her punctuality. So, hello. Nachagun. Okay, Nachagun. I think she's one of the fan pages of. Hi, Rupal. How are you?
Hello, hi. Very good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. And you're looking very pretty. थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाइए. थोड़ा. We are not able to see your full face. थोड़ा सा
You will
पीछे.
see all that. Don't worry. I've seen since morning you worry so much about the logistics. Let's fun chat first now.
Okay. Cool enough. So tell me. You know what's going on. क्या चल रहा है? In Mumbai में क्या चल रहा है? You know, all this lockdown thing, too much of thing happening. Is that the same with you? कुछ आपके साथ भी ऐसे ही है? You know, pretty much जैसा मुझे बताया गया था, like, you know, we connected through a common friend. And he was pretty much all the praises about you. You know, fun hai. I call her Bob and all that. So, what about you? You know, how did you spend your, basically this kind, you know, ये जो आपका lockdown था, कैसे आपने spend किया?
So it's been a lot of fun for me actually, quite honest.
Okay.
And I feel anybody who's at home and has, you know, food to eat and is, you know, safe and sound right now should just be grateful. So I have no complaints whatsoever. I've seen a lot of people have gone through so much in these times.
So much, yes.
But blessed hai ki, you know, we haven't even gone through half of that. So yeah,
Very true.
There are ups and downs. And you know, wo sari cheeze, I think that eventually comes out on my best friend. Whenever I'm a little stressed, she's the first person I'm talking to. I'm like, you know, this happened.
Okay. So who's your best friend? कौन है? उसका नाम भी ले लो. She'll be also happy.
My friend is this designer. Her name is Parinita MN, and she's in Bangalore. She's got her own label there. And
oh wow! Okay.
So proud of. It's like not even funny. We're the same age. Sometimes, you know, she gets this feeling like I'm her bachcha and I get this feeling that she's my bachcha.
Okay.
You know, I just feel so proud of what she's done with her life. So
very true. So ये बताओ, like, you know, all this thing, you know, what I've been like talking to people, and you know, they've been telling me, हमने ये काम किया, हमने वो काम किया. आपने क्या काम किया इस lockdown में? Or I should ask, you know, what was the new thing that you did in this lockdown? क्योंकि we all keep on saying ना कि time नहीं मिलता, ये नहीं है. You know, we all crib, humans we crib. So आपने ऐसा क्या नया काम किया which you couldn't find time earlier? Like, you know, जो absolute जो 2-3 महीने का पीरियड था where we couldn't go out, we couldn't do anything. तब आपने क्या काम किया?
So I read a lot of audiobooks and books in general. So मैंने बहुत audio सुना. I listened to podcasts. I read a lot of books. Not read so much, but most of them were on audiobooks. And I think ये चीजें जो I probably wouldn't have done otherwise, because you know जब घर के रहते हो आप, if you play an audiobook, you can actually listen to it very easily.
Yes.
And learning something new at the same time. So this was something that I did during the lockdown. In fact, मैंने around 25-30 books पढ़ ली होंगी उस time पे, you know.
Oh, really? So, wow.
Something I wouldn't have done otherwise. In fact, ever since I've come back to Bombay, I haven't had the chance to listen to so many audiobooks and podcasts.
No, I was actually about to say this. This is a very, you know, very common concept in Bangalore, because Bangalore में लोग generally क्या करते हैं, गाड़ी चलाते, you know, they do that, you know, they all. But this is not very common otherwise in other parts of India, like, you know, if you say Mumbai या फिर दूसरी जगह पे. But Bangalore में ये बहुत, like, you know, people love to read, and this is a very common concept there.
I have a joke in my head, but I'm not going to say it. But that is just
really?
Bangalore में लोग होते हैं.
क्या होते हैं? Hello? Okay.
No, I'm kidding. I think reading books is just a habit that everybody should
inculcate. Yes, very true.
I don't know why people don't do it. I don't know why people have an issue with learning anything new. In fact, उनको लगता है पढ़ाई सिर्फ स्कूल में करनी चाहिए, कॉलेज में करनी चाहिए. Which makes मैंने स्कूल में कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. To be frank, that was one time when I didn't really learn anything. But all that I know is because of my reading and, you know, even watching stuff actually educational that's made a difference to my life. So I don't know if it's a Bangalore culture, but generally the South, yes, people are a little more
inclined towards studies. Yes, they are. They are. I can vouch for that. And you have got a very beautiful compliment. Your smile is just like magic. When I see your smile, my good luck starts. You are lucky for me. Love you so much. So so it was a very beautiful compliment. I thought let me just tell you about that. So Rupal, tell me, like ये तो आपने किया, books आपने पढ़ी, you got basically you had got like lot of good time. जैसे आपने बोला कि when we are in something बहुत stress उसमें होता है, कुछ अच्छा ही निकल के आता है, कुछ अच्छी चीजें निकल के आती हैं. तो मुझे ये बताओ कि you started with dancing, like choreographing, then उसके बाद you got into acting, then you are right now influencer, then you are right now a casting director. तो अभी कुछ बकेट लिस्ट में रह गया है या अभी और भी कुछ चीजें रहती हैं, और क्या क्या करना है लाइफ में?
So don't call me a casting director just yet. Okay, that's I think process, maybe not, I don't know, but
maybe yeah.
So maybe it was just a very good learning experience, quite frankly, and not think too much about getting into it. There was an opportunity, I tried my hand at it, it worked out, ho gaya, nahi hua, whatever. So I wouldn't call myself a casting director just yet. I'm learning.
So how is the feeling? मतलब एक होता है ना कि पहले तो आप जाते हो और बोलते हो हमारा हुआ कास्टिंग, कैसा है, अब लोग आपके पास आ रहे हैं, the tables, you can say, yeah.
In just 2 days, it made so much of a difference in the way people were looking and talking to me, which was kind of, because you feel like hey, we've all been actors, we've all been friends, together too long, and now suddenly talking to me like as if I'm a different person,
Okay.
It's strange, but in those, I think those few hours itself, I realized that the perception that actors have of the way casting directors work and the way casting directors look at actors is very different. We think of the process, but when you're at the other side of the table, you realize, oh my God, this is very different from what we thought it is.
Right.
It was a great learning experience more than anything else. Whether it's become something else or not, I know for a fact that the way I'm approaching, say if I have to record an audition, the way I approach that has changed drastically.
Okay.
So yeah, it's been great. I mean, I'm blessed. Yeah.
Touch wood. So tell me, अब इसके बाद और क्या है? Like एक होता है ना, so you have been part of reality shows like झलक दिखला जा, Big Boss also for a a little bit stint. So अभी क्या करने का, क्या एक होता है ना कि यार कुछ देख के ऐसे लगता है अब ये करना है यार, this is what I have to do in life, or this is what, or maybe this period much have given you a lot of introspection कि आगे क्या करना है. तो अभी क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में कि क्या करने वाले हो फ्यूचर में?
No, I'm serious.
I'm telling you, you're gonna get so many proposals right now.
That's why I'm saying this. No.
Okay.
Life, if you ask, that is the next step that I want to take, and I'm working towards that. So career-wise, I want to go back to TV because I think TV is just, it feels like home. TV is it's bread and butter. There was a time when I just could not stand any show on television. I said, "Kya hai? मैं क्या कर रहे हैं?" But now it's gone. Now I really like miss being on a television set. So work-wise, it would be that, and life would be shut.
So which kind of show you would love to be there? Like एक होता है ना, एक होता है thriller होता है, एक होता है drama होता है, सास बहू series है. किस type के show में comedy होता है? Like which kind of series you would love to be a part of? Anything which
a light-hearted show like Tarak Mehta. I really want to do it.
Okay.
Fun, light, easy. That's the plan.
Okay.
Because I mean, drama bhi chalega, but I don't want to do thriller, horror. I've already done that. I've checked that off the bucket list. I've done a horror show. Horror show is a lot of work. I mean, I remember crying the whole night. And wo darna, bhoot aa gaya samne.
Oh my God.
I was just crying, and I remember my eyes turning completely red. So I don't want.
So is it like when you get into the character, it stays with you for a longer period of time? ऐसा होता है क्या? रात में घर में पहुंच के ऐसे डर लगता था, कोई आ तो नहीं गया, कुछ हो तो नहीं जाएगा, कोई आ तो नहीं, ऐसा होता था? Oh my God.
Absolutely. I could have flashes of. So the concept of this show was that this girl finds this guy on a dating app and she finds him really cute, and she goes to वो भूत निकलता है. So now when like on a dating app swiping left or right, I'm like ये भूत निकला तो. I mean, maybe it's a fantasy of mine, like some monster or something.
So basically you want to do a comedy show, light-hearted one. I think Sab TV generally gets to those kind of genre. वो वैसी बहुत ही light-hearted shows बनाते हैं. So people who anybody part of that, just you must have heard her. And what people are telling you, they say, I think your character name was Gunjan in one of the series. किसी में था आपका? So people are still calling you. That's very sweet, isn't it? So people are saying love to Gunjan from Ghana, love to Gunjan from Nepal, love to Gunjan from this place. So this is very sweet actually. So I was wondering Gunjan किसको दे रहे हैं? So then I realized probably one of your screen names,
Yeah.
So वहाँ से आपको, you are my favorite. And if you read तो
saying Gunjan,
Pardon?
or I will name daughter Gunjan.
Pardon?
I'm kidding. It was a joke.
Okay. Because हाँ वो थोड़ा था बीच में ना break हो रहा है, so कई आपकी words miss हो रहे हैं. But anyways, lot of questions there. So let me just take some of the questions. Ma'am, you are so cute. Keep always smiling. God bless you more and more. Okay, so hi, आप reply क्यों नहीं करती? Okay, so reply. Can you just see that there's so many messages, people, you need to wait because we can't take all the messages. If there is some messages which is like good enough, then I'll definitely take that. So Rupal, all I can tell you right now is that you're getting so much of what is this now? This is guy Nitin Dara saying I have even got Gunjan tattooed on my forehead. I can't believe that.
That's my friend. He's lying.
Okay. So we always have these bunch of friends जो बीच में आके कुछ ना कुछ leg pull करते हैं, isn't it?
Yeah.
So tell me now, I need to ask you this. You grew up in Bangalore and as you said कि उस टाइम पे तो इतना पढ़ाई नहीं करी थी, तो मुझे ये पता है कि पढ़ाई अगर ज्यादा नहीं करी तो शरारतों पे ज्यादा ध्यान होगा पक्का से. So ऐसी 2 शरारतें मुझे बताओ आप जो आज भी याद है, लाइक और प्रॉब्ली अगर भूलना चाहते तो भी कोई भूलने नहीं दे रहा हो, याद दिला देता. बेटा यूपल याद है तुम्हें, तुम ऐसे किया करती थी, ऐसे किया था तुमने.
याद है, बहुत अच्छी बात. Seriously, very honest, very nice. I always wanted to do the right thing. I never wanted to be naughty. I wanted to become life, and that was me ever since I was a kid. So there was such like मस्ती जिसको बोलते हैं या शरारत that I did as a kid.
पर कोई तो कुछ तो ऐसा होगा, कोई ऐसी चाहत होगी जैसे खाने में कुछ करते होगे, कुछ छुपा देते होगे, कुछ तो कोई तो ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. इतने अच्छे बच्चे नहीं हो सकते.
Very nice, simple, sorted childhood. There was no masti, there was no hiding because see, my parents never stopped me from doing anything. So कभी कुछ छुपा नहीं, right? So it was right out there in the open. But yeah, that's things. So like I had some neighbors, when I was 5 years old, and these 3 boys, girls, were all playing outside, घर के बाहर जो खेलते हैं. पढ़ती ना नारियल तोड़ेंगे. So we decided to stack bricks on top of each other. And we tried that while I was pulling out some bricks ऊपर से, one girl, she pulled something नीचे से.
Oh my God.
That bundle of whatever bricks, whatever they called, they fell on my head. So I got like because I got about 3 So I was bleeding, stupid stuff, but not very naughty. Like that was also मस्ती में चोट लग गई थी.
Oh my God, वो चोट लगी. और वो जो वो होता है ना, जैसे आपने बोला कि वो जो लग के उसके बाद जो स्टिचेस लगे, वो तो हमेशा याद रहते हैं, वो कभी भूलते नहीं है.
की वजह से मैं एनलाइटेंड हो गई.
तो कभी जिस लड़की ने इतना अच्छा काम किया था, कभी उसको जाके बताया कि तेरी वजह से ये हुआ, या she must be sorry for that. I'm sure
she remembers the incident. She has children now. I think all girls my age are now married and have kids, and so I really don't know if they remember anything from.
So people are asking, are you single or are you dating somebody?
So obviously, that's why I want to get married. If I was dating somebody,
all you people, you have chances. आप जाके अपने chances start कर सकते हो, because that's what the moment you said that you want to get married, I knew that these are the kind of messages you can get now.
आपको शादी, but आप single हो क्या? नहीं मैं single तो फिर भी मेरे को शादी करनी है.
Okay. So one more question. I would like to take this. If you are given a chance to enter Bigg Boss house, will you go or not?
Yeah, Minnie asked that, right? I just saw. No.
No.
See, it was fun.
Okay.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I don't mind going for a bit, but if
Yeah.
they ask me for 3 months, I can't.
You can't.
Because
Yeah.
it's tough.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's too tough,
Yeah.
and such a good space right now mentally.
Mentally, exactly. Mentally, वो निचोड़ देता है आपको, नहीं?
Yeah, it's a little
Yeah.
too tough. Unless they're like giving me so much money that ऐसा लगे कि यार बर्दाश्त कर लो for 3 months and you know, come back. Then
Yeah.
maybe. Otherwise, no.
Okay.
Not exciting for me.
Okay. So you have got salam from Tajikistan. देखिए क्या बात है, कहाँ तक पहुँच है आपकी गुंजन जी, गुंजन साहिबा, कहाँ पहुँच है आपकी? So अब ये बताइए, like what is the other thing that you love to do, like apart from, like I'm very sure dancing is one of your favorite hobbies. Apart from that, what is one thing you really love doing? एक होता है ना कि उसके अलावा भी कुछ, anything in sports and all do you love? क्या मजा आता है करने में?
I love swimming. I'm an absolute water baby. Like, in fact, beach में today the sun had come out, okay? And first thought was, I wish I could go swim. And I actually called up this pool that I know, and I said, "Are you guys operational?" But because of the back, the pools are open, and I was like, "Oh my god! I've spent this whole year not entering a pool." So I love swimming. I absolutely am a water baby. I will jump and go to any water park. Like, and I will be so happy that kids are happy. That's how happy. So I love swimming. That's something I love doing. Also,
so tell me, you love what?
Camping. So staying in a
yes.
Hobby really,
that's so much fun. That's so much fun. So when was the last time you went for a camp?
Oh God, that was last year. Don't even remind me. Like, I feel like crying right now.
And which place you went? Which place?
I was camping solo at this campsite in Alibag last year. And
solo? Wow.
You guys should go check it out.
Wow, amazing.
That was amazing, and I'm planning to do that again now because I think धीरे धीरे करके campsites are opening up in Bombay.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
I will be doing that as soon as I get the time.
Great. और ये tell me this thing that ये तो इतनी you are such a bundle of energy, तो ये पूरे दिन में energy कहाँ use करते हो? इसको energy कहाँ पूरे दिन में कहाँ जाती है?
Apart from work, like if there is something work-wise to be done, of course that. But I'm very energetic generally, so whatever I'm doing, say even if I'm in the kitchen, if I'm cooking also, I'm dancing and cooking. Music is on.
Yeah. Okay.
If I'm some sabzis, I always have music. So I'm doing, my energy outlet goes out there. Plus I work out every day and I do yoga and I meditate. So, that takes a lot of time and also use of my energy these days especially. So, वहाँ पे निकल जाता है. But I love cooking for myself. I realize this now. I love मेरे हाथ का खाना. Like,
अच्छा.
There was a time now I couldn't eat dosas that I make and I was just like, कब बनाने मिलेगा मुझे? So today I finally made dosa in the morning and I was just so happy that I had my own dosa today.
Wow, amazing. So ये बताइए, what is one thing that you love cooking in this lockdown thing and you appreciated, pat होता है, pat on the self, like wow, amazing, Rupal, क्या बनाया तूने? तो ऐसा कौन सा खाना था ऐसा?
So I pat my shoulder every time my khana tastes anything like my mom's because then I've done something right. But otherwise I a lot of fancy stuff anyway, like fancy matlab Italian. I made pizza the other day for the first time. I made pizza, at home, and it tasted like yum. So I was very happy. But I'm very proud of the coffees that I make actually, more than anything else.
Okay, great. So you're a coffee lover, isn't it?
Yeah, I used to be. I'm trying to avoid even. I'm basically like off any kind of addiction. So I used to be a coffee lover, but now so even if I'm having just 1 cup a day, it is the way I think. That's the only coffee I'll have, otherwise I won't have coffee.
Very nice. So, again, I must tell you, जहाँ पे दूर दराज से आपको जो ये हार्ट मिल रहे हैं, प्यार मिल रहा है, इजिप्ट से मिल रहा है, लंदन से मिल रहा है, हरियाणा से मिल रहा है. So now people are actually telling, from all places, जहाँ मैंने 1-2 नाम लिए, तो अब सब अपने नाम लिख रहे हैं, मैं यहाँ से हूँ. So, that all these things. So, okay. So coffee lover, people are saying you're a coffee lover. That's amazing. So tell me one more thing, like, अब you are doing this influencing जो एक Instagram का नया trend है, influencer, so you are doing that also. तो उसमें I have seen your post, I have seen your pictures. So how much do you enjoy that? कितना मजा आता है, like कुछ उसको like being an influencer, like एक अलग तरह की दुनिया है वो भी, like you get the products, you get the channel, ये product है, ये use करिए. So how you do that, like in the sense कि you first try and tell them that listen, मैं मुझे पसंद आएगा तभी करूंगी, या फिर करना पड़ता है?
No, so I'm very particular, especially if it's a skincare brand. Then, in fact, they even shared it on their social media pages. Jin Skincare endorsed, because marketing mein generally there has never been this some sort of ethic that whenever somebody is endorsing something, see, this is based on marketing, and I, as an actor here, I'm endorsing a product if I'm putting it on my profile. So I have to look at it like that. So if I'm using a skin product and it doesn't work for me, I will never put it up on my Instagram and say buy this, because then I feel like I'm cheating my loyal audience. And these people are like my profile. So about me, very strong. So in I would probably return the products and be like, this is not going up on my page. But I'm having a great time promoting small businesses. And I do collaborations only with women. Nobody's noticed this. In fact, this is the first time I'm revealing this.
Really? That's amazing.
I think 99% collaborations have been with women, unless, some other bigger brands, then of course there are men involved. But the small businesses that women entrepreneurs are starting, that's my forte. I'm trying to, push them.
That's very, I must tell you, that's one thing I really appreciate, like, because that's how we women should do, building each other, like, because generally ulta hota hai, but aisa hona nahi chahiye, but you're doing a very good job, like if you're like
I know for a fact that they feel so nice and happy. In fact, today somebody was messaging me and saying, I want to send you because your pictures, and we are just so grateful that you did those pictures for us. Want more product. Then there was somebody said, I want to send you a gift, just like that Diwali gift. I'm like, aaj ek din mein people are wanting to send you. But
that's very sweet. That's
good.
That's a sweet gesture, because you see, it's always like, give and take. When you give your love to something, you always, get something in return. So that's how it is. So Rupal, tell me, when was your birthday? Why people are wishing you happy birthday? Kab tha aapka birthday?
It was October
6th?
Yeah.
That's why you are Rupal Tyagi 06. I figured that out, but मुझे ये नहीं पता था. Oh, so happy belated birthday to you. So you are a liberal. Yeah. So people are messaging. See, abhi bhi. Pardon?
When is your birthday?
August 7. Leo.
Okay. Leo girl.
Yeah, I'm a Leo girl. Okay, so एक इनका नाम ले लीजिए. बोल रहे ऐसा मत बोलिए कि I'm a big fan of yours since childhood. ये वाला अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, ये last वाला since childhood. ये क्या मतलब बना? फिर भी इनका नाम ले लीजिए. आरजू, खुशी आरजू.
वो अभी 15 साल की.
हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है ना. So आरजू.
आरजू, हाय आरजू.
Okay. So जितने भी ये आपको मिल रहे हैं ना, हार्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, और ये जो आपको किसेस मिल रही हैं, जो ये सब रखिएगा, ये आपके काम आएंगे जब आप ढूंढेंगे किसी को. और love you so much, belated happy birthday. now आपके happy birthday के शुरू हो जाएंगे. Okay, so अभी आने वाले दिनों में what is one thing that you really want to do? क्या future में अभी सोच क्या रहे हो? क्या कुछ आपके पास projects आपके पास, are you looking for those, maybe web series or some other things?
I told you what I want to really do is the comedy
one. Yeah.
That is.
तो अगर एक scenario ऐसा आता है, the casting thing that you're doing, और उसमें कुछ आपके पास ऐसा कोई वेब सीरीज मतलब कॉमेडी का कुछ आता है, so would you like to also give the audition for yourself?
As a casting person, no, because that just feels kind of wrong. Unless I know I fit into it exactly, then I would probably go to my senior and be like, hey, listen, you're the casting director, your call, because that casting quite a few actors are there, and they cast themselves only, but it's also. See, you're an actor, you understand this. There was, in fact, a big debate that was going on around.
Yes.
A big company took only their friends and their associates and cast them in a show. But when you see, logon ke alawa, you can't imagine anybody else in that situation anyway. Because perfect, but the only thing was that they were all working for this casting director. So, in a way, also, but if you really fit into it, like, and if the producer wants, because it's not just one person thing. Producer, there's a director, there's a so many people on this. If everybody unanimously obviously then of course, but not push yourself first, because then
well you're absolutely right in that, and I wanted to ask you that also. Like generally मैंने ये देखा है कि एक trend है, आजकल का trend है, where people basically start as a casting person just to get into that, because they knew that यहाँ से हमारी पहचान बनेगी, and then they don't have actually anything to do with that. So you think it's right? Because कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे ही होता है. Like I have also been part of such auditions where I've seen those casting people, they only take auditions of their friends, and जो दूसरे आते हैं उनको बिठा के रखते हैं, उनका एक टेक में बोलते हैं okay done, आपने अच्छा किया, अब आप घर जाओ. And for their friends they ask them चलो करते जाओ 30 take 35 takes. I've seen that myself. So what's your take on that? That also feels bad when you are not, because you are new, you don't know anybody out there, so it kind of feel very bad, because it happened with me for a show where I had done something similar. Like I was telling that I've done something similar in this language, but he did not actually pay any heed to my request, and he was like more concerned about his friend. So ऐसा हुआ था मेरे साथ. So what's your take on that? That was a very bad experience for me actually.
So about the industry being unfair, and then some people being really fair also. I think that's every industry, first of all. It's that people have, and they are going to favor that no matter what. Now you say there's a guy whose son is a doctor. He's also he would want to, and he opens up the hospital. He will give his son to happen. A bigger what position. That's just this whole nepotism thing, favoritism thing. It's prevalent everywhere. That's not the thing. But a lot of times जब rejection आता है ना, we also tend to blame it on these things. कि rejection is आया क्योंकि वो producer को उसको बेटी को डालना. That's not the case also. A lot of times rejection is for multiple other reasons. It's not just somebody else is more favored or something like that. So as a casting person, I realized that I can't take this rejection personally, because a lot of times somebody who's auditioning just is not right for the role, but they're there, they want to break their heart, so you say ठीक है आप एक take कर लो, but you know that this is not going to fit in somewhere, or you just be brutal and say you don't fit in. That hurts a lot of people. Try to करके देखो. If you say you don't fit in, say try to करके देखो, can fit into it, then you give them that chance कि okay आप करके देख लो. But then you not going anywhere, because requirement बहुत अलग होती है. It's got nothing to do with it's all about the actor that's doing. Like after casting to one particular actor, the girl was supposed to be around 35. Professor, she may or may not be pregnant. Now, eventually the character got changed into a man, right? So all the people that I had called for that audition, they were like, you're being partial towards your friends. Why aren't you calling me? I said, "Arey, wo character ladki se ladka ho gaya. You don't fit into it."
Yeah.
Gender badal gaya. I can't.
You can't actually give in to that. Right.
Rejection a lot of times does feel personal, but there is the industry is on some level very unfair also. But या तो आप बदलने निकले or you learn how to navigate.
Exactly. So I have to tell you this one message. They are calling you Rubal. Rubal, you are loved by Arabs. I love you a lot from Saudi Arabia. So I'm really impressed by the reach that you have. So people are saying, so just say hello to all of them. All they are saying, हमारा नाम ले लो, हमारा नाम, सबका नाम नहीं ले सकते. आप एक बार hello बोल दीजिए.
Now lesser नाम लेने पड़ेंगे.
So just
other people that I'm not naming.
Yeah, just say hello to all of them. Just say hello to all who have joined, who are there, who are listening to our chat. So I'm getting sad. You're not replying. Okay. So
please don't be sad.
Yeah, don't be sad. See, you just got a flying kiss from Rupal or Rubal or Gunjan or whatever all the names that you're given.
Use Google Translate, and that's how Rupal then becomes Rubal. Then they translate it.
Oh, okay.
Not exactly English speaking followers.
Yes.
So Google Translate, and that's how it turns out to be Rubal.
So
Rubal?
Rubal. So I'm really actually impressed by the reach.
On the Big Boss house, I had to keep correcting him. I was like, Salman sir, Rupal, not Bal. No, Salman sir, Rupal.
Okay, okay, okay. So, one question is that when you realized you can be an actor and pursue your career in acting, I think you must have given this answer in your early interviews, but you can still give this answer.
So I was 5 when I shot for an ad,
Ooh,
and
wow.
I actually
Okay.
shot 3 ads back to back. So
Wow.
since I was 5 years old, that's all I wanted to do. I was like, मुझे acting ही करना है, but I was scared to admit it to people. So
Yes,
बचपन
that
में
happens.
I used to write
Yeah.
rubbish that I want to become this and that, blah blah blah. But in my
Uh.
heart, I always knew. I didn't know how it was going to happen, but I just knew that I wanted to be an actor. Like,
Great.
there was no other option only in my head.
Okay, this is a big fan of yours, Mini Negi. She personally DM me also, and she wants to know. Tell us about your audition for Gunjan. How you end up getting such a brilliant and rare role.
How sweet, Mini. Mini is a
Yeah.
sweetheart. Been,
Yeah.
in fact, if I don't know if you can see this one frame over there, that
Yeah,
was also
yeah.
by a lot of these girls on my birthday. So I think Mini
Oh,
was.
wow.
So
Wow,
I
that's
sat in my house, like right there.
very
But
beautiful.
about Gunjan, I had actually gone to audition for Rachna. So
Okay.
because for Gunjan, they wanted somebody who looked like a model. They wanted someone
Yeah.
6 tall, very slender, very
Yeah.
actually. They wanted somebody who was like a model.
Yeah.
And I'm like 5 feet tall. I look like a girl next door with public
Yeah.
young
Yeah.
that time.
Cute. You are very, very cute. You have got this cuteness in you. Yes. Yeah.
So I'd gone to audition for Rachna basically, but
Okay.
when they saw the way I was as a person, as a human being, I was exactly Gunjan. So they said,
Okay.
audition for Gunjan. So I
Okay.
said, are you sure? They said, yeah, just
Yeah.
audition for Gunjan. And
Yeah.
because we feel you would be right for this. So I
Yeah.
auditioned for Gunjan and I was like, okay, dekhte hai, jo bhi hoga. But then Gunjan happened and Gunjan happened. It was like a personal test, because I was speaking myself on screen. It's almost like the whole country was judging me, whether I'll be accepted or not. Because I was just playing me. I can't later on say that the character tha. I was literally myself on screen. So I'm just happy that it was accepted so well, like so well. So yeah.
So tell me, Rupal, what is the first thing that you do when you wake up? जब सुबह उठते हो तो क्या सबसे पहले क्या करते हो? फोन देखते हो?
Like as soon as I open my eyes.
Yeah, as soon as you open your eyes.
There's a little chant that my Guruji is, he says. So I say that chant in the morning as soon as I open my eyes. I turn my right and wake up, and then after like spending an hour, after sipping some water, nimbu pani, this, that, then I pick my phone, then I call my mom. So this is my routine. Otherwise, I don't wake up straight, Instagram. Sometimes, yeah, excited about a post or something. ऐसा कोई fixed routine नहीं है. But if I'm not very excited about like a post or anything, then I'll just take my own sweet time. I wake up sometimes at 7. My maids are, then I'm talking to them. Take my own sweet time up my phone. This is something I'm very, very religiously though. But
that's amazing. Like if you do that because generally that's the first thing people do. Like उठते ही अपना फोन देखते हैं I must also say time देखना होता है कुछ भी करना होता है you see the phone अच्छा time क्या हुआ है अच्छा it's time to wake up or probably and मुझे तो यहाँ पे like मेरे सोसाइटी में तो मंदिर की घंटियां बज जाती है तो मुझे वही पता चल जाता है कि 7:30 बज गए हैं उठ जाओ so it's like that so people are always like how do you even sleep I said that's my morning alarm you keep alarm I don't need to keep alarm that's how I wake up so that's it is so So what else? I would need to tell this before sleeping. You oil. What I don't know. What people are giving you lots of नसीहतें and कुछ लोग तो उर्दू के उसमें हैं और बहुत सारी उर्दू में भी लिख रहे हैं which we obviously can't read. So so tell me, Rupal, like is there anything that you want to tell your fans, your followers? कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? Anything?
What I want to say is of lately I usually give a lot of done on my Instagram, but that's not happening because I've been doing so many collaborations that all my posts are collaboration posts. So I think a lot of people are messaging me and saying "Gyan nahi mila." So there's one thing I want to tell everybody that of lately I've come across so many people who are just sad for no reason. Okay, when I understand that it could be a big deal for them in their head, but it is only a big deal in their head. It is not actually a big deal. So every time my fans, if you guys respect me and like me even a little bit, the next time you find yourself cribbing about something, get it out.
Yeah.
Then tell how important is it and how important is it going to be in 10
Yeah.
years. If it is not important, then you've done your cribbing. Ek baar, now get it out of the system and be done with it. I really want to tell my fans this because I've been seeing this. It's a pattern. Everybody.
Yeah, it's a pattern. Yeah.
People are glorifying their pain.
Yeah. Yeah, very true, very true, very true. I must tell you this, that बार बार उसी चीज को बोलते रहेंगे, बार बार बोलते रहेंगे, and it's like you attract those negativity, you attract all those things. Sometimes when people call me and just crib, I just want to keep the phone down. I was like, बस खत्म. अब हो गया. अब मैं disconnect कर देती हूँ यार. I like, oh, I'll talk to you later because I just can't. I can't listen to that nonsense, bar, and all that. I'm like, please, I'm not into all this. So let's talk something else. If you can change the topic, that's very good. So, that's what, I truly and, must agree to all this because, all this while, ye jo pure usme tha, people also ask me that, Asha, what is this, tum hasti ho aur aise. To maine bola ki bhai, agar hum positivity, yeah. So it's like, if you spread positivity and, vibes attract tribes. So if I think that, I'm smiling, so probably, I'll get more people who are positive like me. And, मेरा तो नाम ही आशा है, so मैं तो आशावादी रहती हूँ. और that's always I keep saying that, that's one thing which I kind of like about my name, that, I can't be nirash for a longer time. I come out of my, yeah. So I come out of it. I know what's why spring. I just jump and come out of whatever I'm feeling low and all. So that's how it is. See, even today morning I was feeling a little low, and while talking to you, I'm feeling so good. So energetic. Because it's like when you get the जब जैसे बोलते हैं ना प्लस मिलते हैं तो वो definitely double plus होता है. So it's like that. It was really wonderful talking to you. Okay, so I need to some people are writing in. Bold letters. Please reply my question. What was your experience when you acted the character of Gunjan? अरे बहुत अच्छा था. Who's this guy?
So, acting, I had a blast because I was basically playing myself, but it was very hectic. So to answer, it was very tiring because we used to 14 hours every day, really far.
Oh my God. Yeah.
14 hours, 3 hours of travel. So it was very, very, very hectic. And after a point, I think that started showing. On my skin, my hair and everything. And now, as you can see, everything has changed again because I'm finally giving my body that time to rest and relax and rejuvenate. So yeah, it was fun, but it was hectic to answer the question. Before, more questions in caps.
Yeah, actually, it was like, so this guy has actually written in, like, pehle bhi likha hoga, and maybe when we were talking, we couldn't see. So he just wrote in caps that, why you are not answering the question.
Yeah, sorry for the way. I hope you got your answer now.
Yes, you got your answer. And, people, if we have not been able to take your questions, please don't get angry. We tried, jitne bhi hum अच्छे questions le sakein, or we tried to, discuss all your issues. You're giving love from Ghana. You're giving, you are the lucky person because, so people are calling me lucky person. See, I'm so lucky. I met Rupal Di. I'm so lucky. Okay, thank you so much. And I must thank my friend Neerav, who actually initiated this interview.
Bob.
And I must, pardon?
Bob. Neerav
Bob, yes. Neerav. Acha, Neerav calls you Bob and you call Neerav Bob. Dono aapko se Bob ba. Oh, great.
Like Bob, what's up, Bob?
I call him Hastar, and you ask him why I call him Hastar. Okay. Okay.
It's a really fun conversation, and I think once you, Neerav, and I, we should catch up. That should be
definitely. Yes, we'll do that because I really love talking to you, and it was fun. And because he always has been like, he was like, एकदम मस्त है, बिंदास है, chilled out है, and I'm like, okay, तब तो मजा आने वाला है.
More. So we should. Now that I know you're a Leo, we should meet.
Oh, that is also.
But certain zodiac signs.
Yeah, oh, then it's fine. Then we'll meet up. Definitely we'll meet up. We'll soon meet up. And I'm sure बाकी हम कहाँ मिलेंगे, कैसे मिलेंगे, we'll discuss that over the phone. So thank you so much, Rupal, for coming live. It was such a fun talking to you. You are, true what you actually जो मुझे बताया गया था. It was amazing. And to all these people जिनको हम नहीं कर पाए हैं, they can ask questions and probably अगर बाद में हम कभी live आए तो we'll answer your questions. तो आप गुस्सा मत होइएगा, कैप से मत लिखिएगा.
All these guys also from my side, thank you for joining in and लाइव जब भी आऊंगी आपको मेरे स्टोरी पे पता चल जाएगा. Otherwise, please keep commenting on my pictures because I genuinely read all the comments.
Yes.
Makes me feel really nice and blessed. And thank you so much, Asha. I had a great time talking to you.
Same here.
Fun.
Yes, same here. So bye bye guys, and keep commenting on her picture. और मेरे में भी कर देना कभी-कभी, because I also should feel lucky. Thank you so much, Rupal. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.
Bye, Asha.
Bye. Okay, so I need to disconnect this, and where is the disconnection mode?